So adding animation in PowerPoint can help you to make presentation more engaging. Here's the process how can add animation. First of all, you have to just go for the start option and search for the PowerPoint here. And launch the PowerPoint app on your PC. So once you have launched your PowerPoint app, here you have to select the one of the presentation here. So here you have to select the one of the presentation. Here you have to select the one of the PowerPoint here. So here you can see that they are downloading the project. After opening the PowerPoint, you have to select the object. You have to click on the object text image that you want to animate. So after selecting that, you have to go to the animation tab. Here you can see that. After tapping on the animation tab, you can see the animation here like this. And you can choose an animation here, which can be appear, fade, fly in, float in. So you can click on the animation to style. Also, you can go for the transition option here and you can transition your slide here. So for the slideshow, just go for the slideshow option here and go for the form beginning here. And you can see your animation on your PowerPoint like this. So this way you can easily add the animation on your PowerPoint. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.